and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful, sorry man about the road traffic, just a beautiful 1956 Chevrolet 210 two-door wagon. Love this car, guys. I bought it from an older couple out of Arizona. They've owned the car for about 4 years. It is an older restoration. They said it's just over 10 years old on the resto. Very nicely done, though. Very well maintained. The only reason they were selling it, they were actually going to buy another car from a friend of theirs. But great car, Arizona car. It's got again, it is a two-door wagon. It's finished in it's like a Brandy Wine. I wish we had a pretty sunny day to shoot the pictures and video in. Unfortunately, it's gloomy and rainy today, but that's in the forecast all week, so there's not much we're going to be able to do. But very cool car, a lot of options, AC. It's got disc brakes, it's got air ride, four-corner air ride suspension. Car's all sway barred up, so it drives excellent. Just over, I think there's like 6,600 miles on it, if my memory serves you right. Sorry, just a little dust, guys. There's about 6,600 miles on it since the car's been restored. Very nice, very well maintained. You're going to see there's there's some stone packs. There's a few things you can nitpick on it, but very, very nice car. Good, solid, straight body. Car's nice and straight down the sides. The chrome is nice. Sorry guys, that's just people come out here and put their hands on everything. Pretty paint. I love the color. Like I said, I wish the sun was shining so you could really get a good feel for it. It's like a Brandy Wine color. Car's got air. Matter of fact, the one thing I asked them about it, was there anything it needed? They said the AC was going to need to be charged. We just had that done, so it blows ice cold. Pretty car. It's nice underneath. We took some photos of it. Those are actually 10-inch rear tire, 10-inch wide rear tires on the back there. Car's got a great stance. Like I say, they've got front and rear sway bars on it, so it really drives down the road good. Those are 17 by 10s on the rears. Sorry guys, got a little dust on here, man. It's got front disc brakes. This is, it's a late model 350, so it's got the center bolt heads on it. Edelbrock 4-barrel, it's got a polished Edelbrock aluminum intake. Does have ceramic headers on it. Power steering, power front disc brakes, and vintage AC. It's a 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission. You can see the polished aluminum radiator. Just a nice car, man. And like I say, runs and drives excellent. Pretty car, man. New side mirrors. You can see, kind of nitpick the door handles there. It's a 210. It's actually got the Del Rey interior in it, or pattern interior. Again, little touch-up marks. There's a few of those on the car. Nothing hideous. It's got the tilt column with a billet steering wheel. Just a great car. It's got the classic Instruments gauge cluster with attack and gauges. 6681 on the odometer. It's got an aftermarket Pioneer radio in it. Again, it's got the 700 R4 overdrive transmission in it. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got the factory rear end. All your air ride stuff is in here, if I remember right, Jay. Yep, and where the spare would be mounted. They've got speakers mounted back here. Go ahead, Jay, you can close that up. Again, it's real nice underneath. We got some pictures of it. It's been driven. It's got, like I said, they put 6,600 miles on it. But very, very nice car. I love wagons. I just really, really like these things. They're so unique. People love them. They flock to them. Good car, guys. Dash is nice. That's all your air ride stuff. Like I say, runs and drives excellent, guys. They just kick your air on. Air does blow cold. Just charge that. Such a nice car. Gauges are all functional. It's even got the overdrive selector. I don't know if you see that on the column there. Again, it's all air ride. Jay, you want to raise it up and down a little bit? You're doing the back as I'm doing but it's all air ride. You can see all the lights on it work. It's got a good sound. Radio works. Blower motor works. There's no wipers on it. Doors open and close nice. The fit and finish is nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our Instagram page. Or as always, pick up the phone, guys. Give us a call, 248-620-3355. Boy, that's a pretty car, man. Have a great day, guys.